Okay, what's different about the Fuelmax range is three things. Firstly, the compound. Secondly, the construction materials, and thirdly, the tread design. The compound's a stiff compound. It's highly stiff and it has silica. And silica is the key to reducing rolling resistance, because reducing rolling resistance is what reduces fuel consumption for a truck tyre. What's different about it construction-wise is it has what we call super tensile strength steel. And because the tyre has so much steel through it, through the belt package and through the sidewalls and in the bead area, this super tensile strength steel allows us to get a carcass geometry or a shape through the tyre which is energy efficient. So by energy efficient we mean there's no excessive loss of energy through the tyre as it goes through its rotation cycle. And the tread patterns themselves designed to be able to get grip on the ground when you have a driving force, like cornering or braking, but when you've got a nice free roll, when you're going in a straight line, you get a nice free roll. So you've got low rolling resistance, but then you get the grip when you need it. And that's highly necessary with all these tyres, because we want to reduce rolling resistance, but we don't want to trade off in braking or trade off in mileage. This is our standard 11R drive tyre that we're offering as part of our fuel efficient range. You said it starts off quite blocky for traction, and as it wears away, something like this centerline rib becomes very, very consistent in its look. So what will start off as being, block, rib, block, becomes rib, block, rib, and as it gets worn away further, it will start looking more like a 5-rib design. Obviously, as the tyre wears down, there's not as much need for the big blocks. They're there, obviously, to provide you tread wear, and once you're down to the lower level, you obviously it's time to change your tyres, but you've got enough traction at that level prior to removal, because the blocks are there to be able to wear down into the correct shape to give you traction all the way through the tyre's life. Part of the carcass design, the increased strength allows better retreadability, and long term what we're going to look at is having a compound that we retread, that we put on the tyre during retreading, which gives you the benefit of having the carcass, which is low rolling resistance, and also a new cap which is low rolling resistance, because a lot of the benefit is coming from the carcass itself.